In this application problem, we're given some stats about the Great Blue Hole, which is a cylindrical trench off the coast of Belize, which is actually a great place to do scuba diving. You should Google some pictures. They're very cool. But we're asked in the problem, how many gallons of water fit into this gigantic Great Blue Hole? So we're given some statistics like it's 1,000 feet across and approximately 400 feet deep, and it is cylindrical, of course. So we want to use our volume formula because we're talking about how much water fills up the entire cylindrical trench. So the volume formula is pi r squared times the height. So I want to plug in my radius, which if it's 1,000 feet across, that means my radius must be 500 feet, half that distance. Then the height was given by the actually depth of the trench is 400 feet. So you're going to see right away these numbers will get very big. If I leave this in terms of pi, the volume of my trench is 100 million pi cubic feet. Now, if I didn't want to do that in terms of pi, instead wanted to just type that in my calculator, that's fine. You get, again, this very big number, which is the same as 100 million pi. But that's not what we're asking for. We're asking for how many gallons of water. Telling me how many cubic feet are in the trench doesn't mean a whole lot to me, but if you tell me how many gallons I can fit in that, that speaks more to me. So, in order to figure out how many gallons there are, we take the volume of it in cubic feet, and we multiply that by 7.48, which we were given is the number of gallons in 1 cubic foot. So a nice thing to do with the calculator here, because I have this big number already typed in, you can either go up and pull it right back down, or just hit times 7.48. This avoids rounding error. This avoids any issues where you're rounding prematurely or anything like that. Multiplying it through, you get so that final answer we're going to get there is 2,349,911,305. The unit there now is going to be gallons. So think of that many milk cartons in the blue trench. That's our final answer.